Hello everyone, I am Nia Sani. Today we will discuss what is the ISO 14000 and what are the basics of environment management system and how to implement the EMS system. So first is what is the ISO 14000. ISO 14000 refers to a family of the standards for the design, implementation and optimization of EMS for business and organizations. The ISO 14000 family was first developed due to a rising need for the standard operating procedures and policies for business to use to build their own EMS. So let's break down the ISO 14000. As we know, the ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization, and that is the body which is responsible for establishing and implementing various standards across a wide range of the proprietary, industrial and the commercial applications. Right? The ISO is based in Geneva, Switzerland, and that was formed in the 1947. Over 11,000 existing standards are available of the ISO, and in which the 350 are related to the EMS. The 14,000 is an identifier, and in this case it refers to a family of the EMS standards. Here 14,000 refers to standards for setting up and maintaining an EMS. Over 3 lakhs organizations and businesses in 171 countries around the globe are certified to an ISO 14000 standards. In the family of the ISO 14000 standards, there are many standards like ISO 14001, 14002 and 14003 and so on. So we will discuss all these ISO standards later. Now we see the basic principles of ISO 14000. The ISO 14000 is based on the plan, do, study and act cycle, and we will also discuss it later. So first we discuss what is an EMS. An EMS or Environmental Management System is a set of policies and procedures designed to help organizations reduce negative environmental effect and to improve efficiency and operational effectiveness. Just like a quality management system, an EMS is a set of guidelines for continuous improvement based on proven methods of business process management and optimization. So it is the essential statement for the EMS system, what the EMS is going to do, how it is going to do it, who is going to do it, and when it will get done. An effective EMS is made up of clearly defined policy and procedures, actionable steps and well documented records of the responsibilities and accountabilities of all relevant personnel. Here are the 6 core elements of an EMS according to the ISO 14001 standard: environmental policy, planning, implementation, study and correct, management reviews and continuous improvement. Now we will learn about all the points one by one. So first is the environmental policy. And the environmental policy, it is clearly written statement outlines the business objectives and targets in the context of the environmental policies. Okay, it includes principles on environmental sustainability as well as performance indicators relating to the EMS. Planning. The planning means make complete thorough plans of implementing the EMS. So planning is important step. The planning with clear through planning, organization stand to assess the environmental impact of all operations. The purpose of planning is to develop a process for identifying compliance requirement, documenting targets and objectives, and creating a plan for deployment. Now the next step is implementing. After planning, this step involves the execution of those plans. This step will also incorporate adjustment and even building of the new processes to adapt to changing requirements. It's important that organizations clearly define, document and communicate their implementation procedures for purpose of training and compliance contingency. Well documented process also make it easier to improve upon those processes. Next step is the study and correct. After implementing the most basic EMS, observe how it functions and make corrections or optimization as needed. Right? Now what is the management review? This could really tie in with the previous section, but it's important to have a distinguished review of the EMS conducted by management to make sure that everything is functioning within the scope of successful performance. Management will be best positioned to assess this kind of effectiveness. Next step is the continuous improvement. Every MS will utilize principle of the continuous improvement to enable organization to optimize all aspects of the system. Now we will see the principle of the environment management system. In the next lecture, we will learn about the principle of the environmental management. Okay, thank you.